The first British crops of spaghetti are enjoyed today in the southeast of England. Patient farmers and gardeners in Sussex are finally harvesting their first crops of spaghetti since planting trees over 15 years ago. The harvest from the common Italian spaghetti tree, spaghettitree, is quoted as a significant indicator of global climate change. But why were they planted in the UK? The sap-sucking beetle, April una, decimated crops in the Po Valley region of Italy during the early 2000s. To address concerns about worldwide spaghetti shortages, the European Union awarded grants in 2005 to 2006 to landowners for establishment of spaghetti orchards. Over 100,000 spaghetti trees have been planted throughout the United Kingdom since 2005. Although the climate in the southeast of England is now similar to northern Italy, heavy frosts in February and March have seen previous year's crops fail. However, this year's growers are delighted to be harvesting a bumper crop. Spaghetti is sensitive to the cold, and to prevent bruising must be picked by hand. In the March issue of Cow and Crop magazine, Giles Fulton, owner of the Mounds Orchard in Ham, explains, "The challenge now is to harvest all the spaghetti before the colder night temperatures we expect to hit us around Easter." With Brexit and the coronavirus pandemic, there are few skilled spaghetti wranglers available to assist with the UK harvest. Many growers have been frantically training up thousands of the nation's unemployed chefs to pick the crop. Gordon Ramsay celebrity chef and UK Kitchens to Fields retraining scheme ambassador said, "It's a great idea. These guys are really experienced at handling spaghetti." So this year, keep an eye out in the shops for British grown spaghetti.